To get a cash advance from PayPal Credit, you need to have a PayPal account and be approved for PayPal Credit. First, log into your PayPal account and click on the PayPal Credit tab. If you do not see this tab, you may need to apply for PayPal Credit and be approved. Once you have access to PayPal Credit, you can request a cash advance. To do this, click on the Manage PayPal Credit tab and then select the Cash Advance option. You will be asked to confirm your cash advance amount and review the terms and conditions. PayPal Credit cash advances have a transaction fee that ranges from 2.9% to 4.9% of the cash advance amount. Depending on your creditworthiness, you will also be charged interest on your cash advance, which can range from 19.99% to 29.99% per year. Before requesting a cash advance, make sure you understand the fees and interest rates associated with it. It is also important to only borrow what you can afford to pay back to avoid accumulating debt. To avoid interest charges, you must pay your cash advance balance in full by the due date. If you are unable to pay the full amount, you should pay as much as possible to minimize interest charges. PayPal Credit cash advances can be a convenient option for emergency funding, but it is crucial to use them responsibly and make timely payments to avoid debt. Always review the terms and conditions before requesting a cash advance and ensure you have a plan to pay it back.